This website, the branding, the product photos, the pricing page, even the live domain it's hosted on, was built by ChatGPT. Not code copy-pasted into some editor. ChatGPT built it, designed it, deployed it, and hosted it. For free. From one single prompt. No Wix, no WordPress, no developer, no hosting bill. OpenAI quietly dropped a feature called Sites, and I don't think people realize what just happened. So in this video, I'm going to type one prompt, hit enter, and show you a complete business website go live in under 5 minutes. And then I'll show you why this might be the easiest business opportunity of the year. Let's go! Okay, here's what's actually going on. ChatGPT now has a feature called Sites, and it works differently from everything before it. Until now, AI could write website code, but then it was your problem. You needed hosting, a domain, deployment, and enough technical knowledge to glue it all together. That's exactly where most people gave up. Sites removes that entire gap. You describe the website, and ChatGPT plans it, writes every file, designs the brand, deploys it to the internet, and hosts it on its own live URL. You get a real shareable link the moment it's done. Nothing to install, nothing to configure. Let me show you, starting from a completely blank chat. I'm on chatgpt.com, and I've switched over to work mode. Now watch this. When I type make me a and tag sites, ChatGPT knows I don't want code. I want a finished, hosted website. And here's where most people get it wrong. They type, make me a website, and get something generic. Instead, use this 5-part formula. 1. The concept. A traditional South Indian filter coffee brand. 2. What to show. Product visuals and cafe vibes. 3. The standard to match. Premium brands like Starbucks. 4. Pricing. With realistic assumptions. And 5. This is the secret weapon. A section for collecting early customer interest. That one line turns a pretty page into a lead generation machine. Prompt done. Hit enter. Now watch what happens. And this is the part that blew my mind. ChatGPT doesn't just start spitting out code. It thinks like a small dev agency. First, it sets up an actual project, files, hosting details, structure. Then look at this. It spins up subagents, little workers building different parts of the site at the same time. It picks a visual direction on its own. Deep roasted coffee tones, warm brass, creamy typography. A lively South Indian cafe atmosphere. Nobody told it to do that. It's writing real TypeScript and CSS, building responsive navigation, a product showcase, pricing cards, and a working interest form. And then it runs its own quality control, responsive checks, accessibility checks, mobile menu testing, and monitors its own deployment. Total time? Under 5 minutes. Think about what a freelancer would charge for what you're watching right now. $500? $1,000? This costs nothing? Done. It even named the brand itself, Copy House. And there's a live link, not a preview, not a mock-up, a real website on a real domain that I can send to anyone right now. Look at this thing. India's boldest morning ritual. That headline is better than what half the marketing agencies would write. Scroll down, brand story, product sections, and a full pricing page. The first pour at $3.49, the monthly ritual at $5.99 a month. And notice it marked the subscription as most loved, because it understood recurring revenue is what a coffee brand actually wants. And every section has a call to action wired to that early interest form. This isn't a website that looks nice. It's a website built to collect customers, and it's already hosted at its own chatgpt.site address. Total cost, $0. Now here's why this actually matters for you. 3 plays. Play number 1, validation. You have a business idea? Don't spend 6 months wondering. Build the site tonight, add the interest form, share the link, and let real signups tell you if the idea deserves your time. What used to take months now takes an evening. Play number 2, local businesses. Look around you, cafes, salons, tutors, gyms, still no website, still running everything through an Instagram page. You can now set up a professional site for them in an afternoon and charge for the service, the strategy, and the updates, not the hours. And play number 3, speed as a portfolio. If you're a freelancer, you can walk into any client conversation with a finished live demo of their website before they've even signed. Nobody else in the room can do that. The tool is free. The advantage goes to whoever moves first. Now, real talk, because I'm not here to hype you. This is built for landing pages and business sites. It's not going to replace a full e-commerce backend or a complex web app yet. And you'll want to double-check the pricing and claims it generates. because it fills gaps with assumptions. But for getting a real business online in 5 minutes, for free, nothing else comes close right now. Everything I typed in this video is on screen, so pause anywhere and steal the prompt. Drop a comment with the first website you'd build. I read every single one. And if this saved you $500, the subscribe button is the cheapest thank you there is. See you in the next one.